afternoon. Welcome to the Douglas Auto Group. I'm Ken Beam on this very wintry day. Yeah. Should be building a snowman. Hey, who's looking for a deal on a Yukon? Follow me. Look at this baby. 2007 black Yukon XL SLT Package 1. 14,500 miles. Look at it. It's gorgeous. 8-passenger capacity. You got a big family? You need a bus. And here it is. Look at it. The MSRP on this vehicle is $45,000. Are you with me? You still there? This is on sale today for $34,877. That's right. $34,877 for this 2007 Yukon XL SLT. Get on the horn. 908-277-3300. 908-277-3300. Visit us online at gmchotdeals.com. I gotta build a snowman.